how to create AI cooking vlogs of different dishes without showing your face. Today I'm going to show you 2 free tools you can use to create this kind of videos without showing your face, and this video you can post them on all your social media and get monetized. So let's go. So the first thing you do is you go over to ChatGPT, you type give me 4 scenes of a lady, okay, let's say of a fair skinned lady cooking. So the first scene I'll say buying veggies. Buying veggies. Buying vegetables. The second scene, washing vegetables. The third scene, slicing vegetables. The fourth scene, frying vegetables. Then I'll type with consistent character of the lady and the kitchen design. So ChatGPT has given me the prompt of the 4 scenes which I typed. So these are the prompt of the 4 scenes that I typed. So what I'll do is I'll copy my scene one after the other and go to my image generation app. So the image generation app I'll use in this video is Pixlumen. So I'll leave the name of the app on the description box for you to get it. So I'll copy the first scene, I'll highlight and copy. So you go over to your Play Store and search for Pixlumen. So this is the app, the Pixlumen app. So click on install, you install the app and register on this app. This is the interface of the Pixlumen app. So click on get started and you register on the app. So when you get to Pixlumen, you click on, you see explore, create gallery, click on create. So what do you want to draw? So I'll click on it, I'll paste your prompt. So make sure it's on 9 by 16, which is YouTube size. So what I'll do is you click on this arrow and to send for the image to generate your image. Pixlumen has generated the image for us. So this is the image that was generated. If you don't like the image generated, you can reprompt it to what you want. So this is what I want. So I'll click on it. Click on these three dots here by the side, and I'll download my image. Okay, see download the image. Saved successfully. So I'll go back to and copy the next prompt. So I've copied the next prompt, I'll paste it. So I'll click on send. Always ensure your prompts are in 9 by 16 by 9, sorry, because you're doing it for YouTube. If you're doing it for that social media, you can use 9 by 16. So I have to change it back to 16 by 9. So Pixelman has generated my second image. I'll look at the two images to be sure they look alike. If they don't really look alike, I have to reprompt it to get what I want. So look at these two images. Do they actually look alike? They look alike. I've generated the third one. I'll click on this 3 dots and download. So to generate my video, I'm going to use Minimax AI. So go to my Play Store and download Minimax AI. So this is the Minimax AI. Click on install and sign up with your. So if you are new on this Minimax AI, this is how the interface will look like. So click on this plus sign. It will take you to this place, tell you image to video text to image. So I'll click on image to video. So it will tell you continue with Google. So you have to sign up to this. So I'll sign up. So click on this start frame and end frame. So click on start frame. So it will take you to your gallery album. So pick the first video. In this Lumen AI, you can generate 3 videos every day because you'll be given credit every day. You can generate 3 videos every day. So generate the first 3 videos first. So let me start with the one that she's washing vegetables. The end frame is optional. So we are working with the start frame. So after putting the start frame, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the same prompt I use in generating this image. So I'll paste it on this part. So it's the prompt that we'll use to animate the image. So I've pasted my prompts. So I'll click on finish. I'll come over here and click on 15 coins. So this app can generate 3 videos in a day. So I'll click on 15 coins and it will start generating. It will take like 10 minutes or less to generate one video. The thing about this app is if you want to generate the free version, it will come with watermark. But if you are in the pro version, you can download without watermark. But the free version, you have to download with watermark. So you can use your watermark remover to remove the watermark. So I'll click on download. So download with watermark. So after downloading our videos, the next thing we'll have to do is I'll go over to my CapCut and merge these 3 videos together to form a long form video. So I'll go over to my CapCut. I'll click on this plus sign. So I'll highlight the 3 videos that I created. So I'll click on add. So I'll click on add audio. So I'll click on sound effects. So I'll search for So I'll click on this running water sound. So I'll listen to all the sound and which one I'll decide which one I want to use. So let me click on this one as so I'll click on the next one. Let me see. I think this second one is sounds better. I'll use the second one. So the next one is a chopping board. So I'll search for go back to sound effects, search for chopping board and see and choose the sound I want. I'll click on where the actual action stops. I'll click on it, highlight it and delete the excess from the sound. So the next one I'll click on it. So I'll go back to sound effects again. Now search for the frying sound. So I'll cut it halfway where the video stopped. Another way you can also generate your videos, your cooking vlog video, you can also use your Grok AI. So the Grok AI, so we are going to generate also with Grok AI and see the 2 different videos. So see what we have. So go over to Grok AI. So we're using the same prompts for the 2 videos. So you click on imagine video. And wait for Grok to generate my video. This is the first video of the frying. So this is the frying video that Grok generated for us. So let's go and generate the other 2, the cutting and the washing of vegetables. So one thing about Grok AI is you can generate your video and your image together at the same time in Grok. So this is the washing vegetable image that Grok AI generated for us. Go over to CapCut and merge the videos that Grok AI generated for us. So thank you for watching. Subscribe Leave a comment. Let me know which of these videos do you prefer and which of the method do you think it is easier for you to use. See you in my next one.